is the MagBak RimCase. This is for the Tesla Model Y 21-inch Uber Teen wheels here. This is some really great packaging that these come in. This is 1 out of 4. You get these in a 4-pack, 1 for each wheel. And this is just the packaging here. It just reminds me of kind of like an iPhone packaging, like from the Apple store. Just put together really nicely here. Shows you got the MagBak RimCase Tesla Model Y 21-inch Uber Teen wheel. Shows you the model number. It's the full wheel, so you got 10 segments and the 1 valve segment here. And it is sealed here with some tape here, so we just got to cut it on each side here, and we'll open it up and see what's inside. Opens up really nice and easy. Shows you here, this is the install protective films before snapping on the segments here, and then it just gives you the step-by-step instructions here. I installed these. This is the second set that I purchased here. I have 2 Model Ys, and I installed one of these sets a while back, and very pleased with it. I just bought the second set. The rims on these cars, they just get torn up by curbs and everything, so this is a easy solution to mitigate any rim damage. So you could get a set of these. If you stuff one of these up, you just change out one of the panels here, and it's really easy to use. So anyways, you got the QR code here. You can watch a video and just goes through and shows you everything you get included here. So basically, these are the protective films here. And then I like how they put these here. You get all these here wrapped up, and then you could see when you unravel them here, each one of them has the 3M tape, and you just peel off the film and you just put them on one by one. It has the alcohol pads right here, so you're going to wipe down the wheels, and it's just very very easy to use. I'm going to say the install probably took maybe 30 to 40 minutes because I just took my time and went through it very nice and easy here. And see, this is the valve stem right here. So let's see right here, pry area, watch install video, install this piece first, and let's go counterclockwise. So all the instructions are very straightforward instructions, very easy to use. And once you put these on, it just makes the wheel look a little bit larger, and it just looks like it's from the factory. You cannot tell you have anything aftermarket here, and the rims will, if your rims are scraped up, they're going to look brand new after this. They just had a really nice touch. I do believe these come in other colors, but my rims are black, so I just went with the black set here. Very happy with them. So definitely want to check this out. It's the MagBak RimCase here. You get these in a 4-pack. You're going to put these on your Tesla wheels, and it's just going to look great. I know these come in the Model Y and the Model 3, and I have the performance model, so it's the 21-inch. I do believe they come for the long-range one as well, but definitely want to check these out. Highly recommend picking these up if you have a Tesla.